Hi there, I'm chatting with Lindsey Campbell, who is president of a brand new student organization, the Excel Modeling Club. And Lindsey's been working really hard with an executive team getting the club ready to launch this fall. And so, Lindsey, first off, can you tell us just a little bit about what the Excel Modeling Club is?
Yes, hi everyone. Like Dr. Kelly said, my name is Lindsey Campbell, and I'm president of the Excel Modeling Club. So basically, how it's set up is that we will have bi-weekly meetings where we run through different Excel skills to help students, freshmen, sophomores, mainly go through what they need to know for Excel, so that they really can hit the ground running in their classes and when they have internships. And so how that's set up is that we'll have those bi-weekly meetings where we'll run through models and just different Excel tips and tricks. Also, we have a set of the club that is going to focus on the Excel collegiate competition, and we really support that within the club itself.
On the teaching and learning side, then, so definitely lots of stuff for the freshmen and sophomores. What about upperclassmen? What roles will upperclassmen play in that?
So right now, our upperclassmen that are on the executive board are helping create the material that are going to be distributed with the underclassmen. Of course, upperclassmen always need to, learn something new about Excel. I learn something new on Excel every day, so it's definitely open to everybody. But if upperclassmen have, different skills that they want to bring forth, we'd love to have them join and really help share that with underclassmen.
Outstanding. And then real quickly on the competition side. So this is a full-fledged esports competition where students are creating spreadsheets really fast to do really cool stuff. But this is intercollegiate, so we'll have a team that competes against teams from other universities, and our team will go and participate in live finals in Arizona in December. So I'm really excited about that. But as far as that's concerned, so the club itself, y'all will be conducting like training sessions for these things. Is that right?
Yes, we have a team within the club that is focused on the competition. So in our club meetings, we are not focused on the competition, but that's more of an outside thing that our club supports. However, the members of the competition team will come into the club on either certain days or a certain part of the club meeting and share what they've learned over the last week of practicing for the competition.
Outstanding. So, just real quickly on recruitment. So, y'all are going to be recruiting new members basically right now, and
Yes.
so we'll provide some links and put a QR code here, so folks can scan the QR code and get all the information that they need to get going with the Excel Modeling Club. So, thanks, Lindsey. Really appreciate it. This is exciting stuff that y'all are doing, and I'm excited to support it.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.